Okay, hey church, I must admit this is a first. So here we are, it is 1:45 a.m. Israeli time, and as you just saw from Shane's pan, we are, most of us, if not all of us, are here in the lobby. Hi Darlene.
I'm sorry.
And everybody's doing it. We're okay, so nobody worry. Everything is fine. It turns out there's a broken pipe here, and lots of the rooms are flooding. So it's 1:45, and we're in the lobby. So again, everybody's okay. Everybody's in good spirits, but you just never know when you're what you're gonna experience when you come to Israel. So here we are, and pray for us again, and we'll pray for you guys, and we'll keep you posted. See ya.